Welcome to class 8 max. Today we are going to see how to construct the rhombus. Rhombus is a parallelogram in which all the sides are congruent. So to construct the rhombus we need two measurement, one side and one diagonal, two diagonals, one side and one angle, and then one diagonal and one angle. Let's move to the exercise. Exercise 5.5. Let's continue. Construct rhombus and find its area. Face FA equal to 6 cm and FC is equal to 8 cm. First draw the rough figure. Draw the rhombus and mark the measurement FACE. FA equal to 6 cm and FC equal to 8 cm. They given the side and the diagonal value. So first draw a line segment FA equal to 6 centimeter, and then you know very well rhombus all the sides are equal. So they given the diagonal value, that is FC equal to 8 centimeter. So take 8 centimeter with F as center, cut an arc at C. And with A as center, take 6 centimeter and cut an arc at C. Then join AC and FC. Then with the same measurement with F as center, cut an arc at E, and then with the C as center, cut another arc. Then join CE and then FE. So FA, CE is the required rhombus. FC is equal to 8 centimeter. Area of rhombus is equal to half into D1 into D2 square unit. So D1 value is 8 centimeter. Then D2 value we need to measure it. Nine centimeter. D2 is equal to 9 centimeter. Therefore, half into 8 into 9. So, in 2 table 4 times. 4 nines are 36 centimeter square. So, again I am explaining. First draw the rough figure and mark the measurement FACE, and FA is equal to 6 centimeter. And then FC equal to 8 centimeter. Draw a line segment FA equal to 6 centimeter with F as the center. Take radius 8 centimeter and cut an arc at C. Then you know rhombus means all the sides are equal. So with A as center, take 6 centimeter because they given the side FA equal to 6 centimeter. So A take 6 centimeter with A as center, cut an arc at C. Then join FC and AC. Then with F as center, with the same measurement, cut an arc at C, E, and with C as center, cut an arc with the same measurement at E. Then you know very well area of rhombus is equal to half into D1 into D2. D1 value we know they itself given 8 centimeter. and D2 is equal to, we need to measure, if we measure the D2 value, that is diagonal value 9 centimeter. Therefore half into 8 into 9 into table 4 times, 4 9s are 36 centimeter square. Next question, luck. LC is equal to 7.8 centimeter and UK equal to 6 centimeter. So first draw the rough figure. LUCK. LC is equal to 7.8 and UK is equal to 6 centimeter. They given the diagonal value. So draw the line segment. LC is equal to 7.8 centimeter. Then draw the perpendicular bisector X and Y to U and K. That is, you have to take more than half, cut an arc at L, cut an arc above and below the line segment LC. Then with C as center, cut an arc above and below the line segment LC. Then so let it cut KU at O. Then they given UK is equal to 6 centimeter. We are going to cut an arc from O. So take the half of the 6 centimeter. If you take 6 centimeter, half of the 6 centimeter is 6 divided by 2 is 3. So we need to take 3 centimeter. With O as center, draw the arc of radius 3 centimeter on either side of the O which cut at X and Y. Then join LU CU CK and then LK. So again I am explaining. First draw the rough figure and mark the measurement. LC is equal to 7.8 centimeter and UK is equal to 6 centimeter. They given the diagonal value. If they given the diagonal value, first draw the line segment. LC is equal to 7.8 centimeter. If they given the diagonal value means you have to draw the perpendicular bisector. You know very well how to take the perpendicular bisector. With L as a center, take more than half and cut an arc above the line and below the line, and then with C as center, with the same measurement, cut an arc above the line segment LC and below the line segment and join X and Y which cut at O. Then we need to draw an arc, because draw an arc for U and K. They given the value of U and K is 6 centimeter. We are going to cut an arc from O to O as center. Draw arc of radius 3 centimeter on either side of O which cut at OX and then OY. Join LU, CU, CK, LK. Next, you know very well, area of rhombus is equal to of into D1 into D2. D1 value is 7.8 centimeter. D2 value is 6 centimeter. Therefore, 7.8 into 6. So, if you cancel in 2 table, 2 3s are. Therefore, 7.8 into 3. 3 8s are 24 carry. 2 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 2 is 23. So, 23.4 centimeter square. Third question, cake CA equal to 5 centimeter, angle A is equal to 65 degree. Draw the rough figure CA, KE, CA equal to 5 centimeter at A 65 degree. Draw a line segment CA equal to 5 centimeter. At A, take 65 degree. Therefore, CA X is equal to 65 degree. You know very well, rhombus, all the sides are equal. So take 5 centimeter with A as center, cut an arc at K. Then join CK. Then with the same measurement, with K as center, cut an arc at E. And then with C as center, cut an arc at E. Then join CE, A, EK. Area of rhombus of into D1 into D2 square unit of D1 value. We need to measure it. D1 value is 5.4. Then D2 8 centimeter. Therefore, of into 5.4 into 8 centimeter in 2 table 4 times. Therefore, 5.4 into 4. 4 4s are 16, carry 1. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 1 is 21.6 centimeter square. Next question, park PR is equal to 9 centimeter at P equal to 70 degree. So draw a rough figure PARK. PR is equal to 9 centimeter at P 70 degree. So they given the diagonal value and the angle. First draw line segment PR 9 centimeter. At P, take 35 degree, that is RPX is equal to 35. Turn the protector. RPY is equal to 35 degree. RPY 35 degree. With the same way, PRX 35 degree. Take either side of PR. Then again PRY is equal to 35 degree. 10, 20, 30, 35. Then measure the diagonal value. .4 centimeter. Area of rhombus of into D1 into D2 square unit. D1 is equal to 9 centimeter. D2 is equal to 6.4 centimeter. Therefore, half into 9 into 6.4 into table 3.2. For 9 into 3.2, 9 2s are 18, carry 1, 9 3s are 27 plus 1 is 28.8 centimeter square.